experienced two major typhoons, no, in succession, yung Tino and then Uwan. But they have two different stories. One is that it hit central Visayas, yung Tino, and the center of gravity for that typhoon was Cebu and Negros Island, specifically the urban centers of this region. So there was massive floodings, urban floodings, and although warnings were issued, it resulted to hundreds of casualties. That's why we're still finding out how we can further improve, no, our early warning in urban areas, because highly urbanized cities is treated differently, because more or less we have subdivisions there, big housing areas, concrete houses. And the other typhoon, the Uwan, which hit Region 8 and Bicol, no? Specifically Catanduanes, Camsur and Cam Norte. These are basically rural or rural areas, no, wherein the population is different, and houses, no, are very vulnerable to wind and rain damage, no? But despite the strength of Uwan, we had close to zero casualty in the Bicol region. We only have one in Catanduanes, and I think one in Albay, but it's still for validation if it's related, and then I think one or two in Camsur. So those are the two different things that happened dito sa two major typhoons. There was preemptive evacuation in both, but the response for the Bicol region was very exceptional.
Why is it exceptional?
Yeah, people cooperated. The LGUs knew how to implement preemptive evacuations.
Then the big city?
They executed preemptive activities, no, or anticipatory actions. So they were more prepared, no, I would say, compared to the Central Visayas, which we think was prepared, but they did not expect. The only difference siguro I can say is that Bicol region is really because of experience, no, they are really preparing for the worst, no. Kaya when the storm hit us, they were prepared.
How much money we are losing for the impact of disaster annually?
I cannot give the exact figure, but ito lang, this is what I can say. Every time a typhoon hits an area, you go back 10 years, no? Ang effect niyan. You lose 10 years of your gains. That's why immediate rehabilitation is very critical. Immediate recovery is mandatory, so that you can recover immediately and you don't lose the number of years that you have worked on. So on the average, we lose, I think, minimum of 5 billion
annually.
That's the very minimum. But it's we have numbers, but I don't just have it now, but it runs to billions.
Sir, do you think that the disaster preparedness of Bicol region should be replicated throughout the country to lessen the impact of disaster and the casualty?
Yes, definitely, because Bicol is the pioneer for preemptive activities, no, specifically preemptive evacuation. And other regions should replicate, and almost all are actually would like or are actually doing it, but it takes time to be make it as part of the system, no? So we hope that this best practice will be replicated and applied in regions, no, or provinces that will be hit by future typhoons.